Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix audio or sound problem in marathon game. So here follow the fixes. The first solution is steps to fix sound problem in marathon. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system and then click on sound. Scroll down. Under advanced option click on more sound settings. And here select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. And then go to the spatial sound tab, and from the drop down here select off, then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down here select Windows Sonic for headphones, hit on apply and then OK, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. Solution 2. Steps to fix audio problem in marathon if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then click on apply and then you can check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3. Make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the marathon game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using a headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if that helps or not. Solution 4 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. Solution 5 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve audio or sound problem in marathon game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.